Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cancel Hellofresh subscription on app. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're gonna need to do is make sure that you have the app or the Hellofresh app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Once you do that, you can tap on it to open it up, and then you're gonna get asked to log into your Hellofresh account. And after you log in, you want to take a look at the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you're going to see the gear icon, which is the settings section. So to go to the next step, you're going to have to press on to it, and you're going to see yourself facing a page like this. Now, since I'm not subscribed to Hellofresh, I don't get to have a subscription option appearing in here. But in case you are subscribed, you're going to see it under the section of support. So in order to cancel your subscription, you're going to have to press onto the subscription option, then look for the cancel button underneath and give it a tap. The app is going to ask you to write a reason why you want to cancel your subscription. So you can just ignore that by pressing onto the skip button. And finally, you can confirm the cancellation, and that should be it. That's it. That is how to cancel Hellofresh subscription on the app. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in the next one.